Hello, hello, good morning, afternoon. Welcome back. Congratulations on finishing your screencast. So, today, let's go over the basic process of editing a video so that it's shorter and has very crisp and smooth transitions. What does your shot cut look like? You should have three things. Here is the video screen. Here are the audio bars, and right down here is the timeline. You need three things to start your editing process. So, I've taken my screencast video and I dropped it into the video screen. Now, I have my video here, the full video. So, let's get started. So first, I will take my video and I will drag and drop it into the timeline.